Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video I want to give you an alternative, show you a better option than freezing your Tron up. As you know, if you're doing a lot of transactions through Tron Link, or you're doing large transactions, they're going to start to fail. And the reason being is you don't have enough energy, you don't have enough power, and you're just going to get these failed transactions. So one way to fix it was to freeze up your Tron, which is basically, if you connect up, let's just go to my Tron wallet here. To get that is just to click on this and then click here, freeze, unfreeze. Even though that this is a okay option because you're not actually spending any TRX, you're just locking it up for a period of 72 hours to boost up your energy, your bandwidth, power. You can buy a combination here of, if you go obtain, Tron power and bandwidth, or Tron power and energy, which I made in the last video. However, there's a better way, and that's this rent option. Now previously I said, oh, don't worry about it too much. I hadn't looked into it, but since I have looked into it, I've just realized that this is like 100 times better than freezing up your Tron. Let's just go and have a look at this. Just log into your Tron wallet and click that rent option, which I just showed you here, and it's going to take you to the site tronlending.org. So what you want to do is you're going to rent. This is what you're going to do. You're going to rent this amount. So it's a minimum of 1,000 Tron. This is the equivalent to 1,000 Tron. So, for example, if I do 1,000 Tron, it's going to cost me 5.19 Tron, less than 1.62 RX cost than burning directly, and this is the equivalent. So, instead of freezing up 1,000 Tron, right? It says here, please fill the amount that you wish to freeze and you will get the energy generated freezing the corresponding TRX according to the Tron network mechanism. Freezing and energy generated by each Tron is related to freezing amount of the entire network, so the energy will fluctuate in real time. So in other words, if I wanted to freeze 1,000 Tron for 72 hours, that would be a lot of Tron for some people, and I would get it back up in 72 hours, but I can't use it. However, if I pay 5.19 Tron, it's basically going to give me the same thing. However, I don't get the 5.19 Tron back. That's the only difference. Now, if you can increase this if you want, this rental, and it's going to increase the Tron. So let's just do 1,000 Tron, and I'll show you for 7 days. And this is the equivalent to 1,000 Tron. So I just pay 5.19, just pay that, and if I just pay that, we should see my Tron. Let's actually just go and have a look at now. Resources 22,870, 3,800 for the bandwidth, and 372 for the Tron power. So let's just go and pay for that and see what happens. Okay, we just refresh this, and as you can see there, this is the transaction that went through, and before we had this amount here, 22 I think it was. So this has jumped up quite a bit, just from 5 costing me 5.17 Tron. This is a better option in terms of the amount that you're going to have to spend. So hopefully I've explained that a little bit as clear as I can. This is way better than locking up your Tron. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video. Hope this helps you guys that keep on getting failing transactions. Try the rent option. Doesn't cost much at all. And I'll see you in the next video.